here's how you can export Notion to a CSV. The first step is to make sure that your data is in a database. If you're using anything else like Notion Pages or Notion Tables, this will not work. But if your Notion data is in a database, you can simply go to the top, hit the three little dots, click Export, choose your export settings. You'll probably just want to pick Markdown and CSV, and Export. From there, Notion will create a CSV export, and that will show up on your desktop. Again, if you try to do this with a page like this one, it'll still let you go through these steps and click Export, but the result will not actually be a CSV. It'll be Markdown, and it won't be what you actually want. Finally, if you'd like to do more than just export as a CSV, but instead actually two-way sync your Notion data into other apps like Airtable, Google Sheets, HubSpot, and Salesforce, you can do that using Whalesync. Whalesync is a two-way sync tool that works all with no code that lets you literally export data continuously, aka two-way sync it, between Notion and tons of other apps.